It's a milestone, my 200 ride. This is my anniversary masala dosa. I never had 2 feet long masala dosa. Can you see in the frame all?
Yeah, but louder.
What is the... Oh. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? What the fuck is this? I visited many historical places in India, but this is the filthiest ever. They built brand new road here up to the hill, and I hope they will send here some lorries to take this all shit down and clean this beautiful place. I thought that I'm filming how we drive up to the hill, but then I discovered that my camera was off, so I film now how we went down. Evil satanic temple. This is the most ridiculous bike modification I ever saw in my life. This guy made panels from wood or some plastic which looked like wood, I don't know. And the bike was very, very loud and ugly as hell. feet long. That's all it is.